to build secure networks, servers, and applications. When you open your phone or tablet and click on an app, such as Instagram, Netflix, or Facebook, you're making a connection to a server that could be in a data center hundreds of thousands of miles away. These messages are sent and received over multiple networks joined together to form the internet. We teach you how to build, maintain, and troubleshoot these networks and systems. In terms of cybersecurity, we will use ethical hacking techniques to test these systems for vulnerabilities and also analyze network traffic for threats. Most of the classes will be conducted in our networking lab, where we have all the equipment we need, such as switches, routers, servers, and firewalls. Students who graduate from this course tend to go into roles such as network engineering, server administration, and cybersecurity analyst.
I did my work experience in Dell Technologies, and one of the nice things about this course is that all the skills are sought after. So I was able to go to a big corporation like Dell, and in my placement, it wasn't just what you'd expect from an intern or the kind of stereotype of getting coffee. It was hands-on. I got to work with servers, install servers, I got to work with new technologies I'd never seen before. What's nice about this course is those fundamentals allow you to adapt your career path in whatever direction you want within the IT space.